Halo semuanya. Nah,
Halo.
kayaknya ini kita agak telat, tapi nggak apa-apa, masih penasaran sama video klipnya si Atta Halilintar itu yang trending sampai di beberapa negara, bahkan pada nge-react movie apa klipnya. Apa sih movie klip apa namanya? Movie video ya. Nah, aku pengen tanya si Bas sebagai bule, bagaimanakah video mereka itu? Apakah impresif atau B aja? Mari kita mulai ya. Kok nggak ada suaranya? Oh ya, ini di bahasa Jawa ya. Kok ikutan?
Kamu belahan jiwaku, sayang.
Dia tuh kayak bilang apa sih, aku mau kamu to be my future wife, terus you are my soulmate, kayak gitu-gitulah. Nah itu tuh dia itu selalu pakai ini loh, side hat, apa namanya?
Topi.
Iya, no, topi, just like a headband.
Headband,
Iya,
yeah.
but dia put it in the ini forehead. Jadi tiap orang tuh pasti tahu tipikalnya Atta itu always wear ini sunglasses and then that headband.
Okay, that's a good tip for me, so I can do that maybe later as well.
Kalau famous ya.
So I become trending as well. That's good. Yeah.
Ya begitu deh.
Yeah.
Kita dengerin dulu. Alisa juga lihat tuh. Kamu tahu nggak tadi typical
Yeah.
instrumen apa?
I recognize like the rhythm like as a typical Javanese.
Iya benar. Iya benar itu.
I think we heard it a couple of times when we were eating in like a
Bali.
in Bali or
Kalau
somewhere.
Bali aku nggak tahu ya, kayaknya Bali itu beda with Japanese gamelan, tapi memang kayak sama tang gitu kan.
Yeah, but also with the voice like a little bit high,
High
like
tone gitu ya.
Yeah.
Aku juga nggak tahu sih sebenarnya Bali itu apa gamelannya sama Jawa atau beda, aku juga nggak tahu sih. Indonesia palsu.
But it's like very typical Indonesian,
Tradisional ya.
traditional. Yeah.
Iya.
Udah panas, kelingan seleramu. Arep mangan bayang no didulang awakmu.
Aku bisa read the translate-nya sih in Indonesia.
Nyawa guling malah gadis seliramu.
He looks a little bit like a reggae guy, eh?
Reggae.
Yeah,
Ya.
the reggae colors.
Iya.
Yeah.
Tapi ini dia doing rap kan ya.
Beribu-ribu kanggo awakmu. Semoga love you tuneng aku ra iso.
I cannot live without you. I'm begging you to be my future wife. You are number one, darling.
It's a little bit like a fusion song, right? Right? Like the old traditional. You hear the old traditional sounds combined with like modern music. Yeah.
Kayaknya dia juga apa, he's trying to kayak mix apa the modern stuff sama yang tradisional.
Yeah.
Juga di sini dia wear apa nih namanya nih, Japanese clothing.
But in other
Yeah,
shots, he's
yeah.
wearing like the more like
Modern,
modern.
for
Yeah.
his age kayaknya ya, biar masuk
Yeah.
gitu.
Yeah,
Tapi suaranya gimana you think?
yeah, it's good. Yeah,
Good ya,
Yeah.
better than yours.
definitely.
Halo,
No,
ada
someone
gitu
else
juga.
likes it as well.
You are my soulmate.
Pancen kowe tok dek, ra ono liyane dek. Ayo jajal dek, turuti pikirku dek. Sunday to good morning, bikini lafani.
Even ada Inggrisnya dikit ya.
Hey.
Sampai Senin, bayangmu selalu hadir. Ku rubah takdir bersamamu hingga akhir.
Kok jadi oh mau lagi katanya. Kita sama lagi mama. this is the girl. You see the girl?
Oh yeah.
It's not really clear. Kayaknya dia
Is
mau
that-
make people curious aja.
Is that
His girlfriend. Yeah,
like
jadi-
already for a long time or?
I don't know. I don't really follow the news. Tapi kayaknya dia baru propose the girl like a month or 2 months ago, and then it was very romantic.
Oh.
Dia itu di atas boat atau gimana gitu pergi ke island, and then dia kasih kayak diamond ring gitu.
Oh. not close to our
Jauh.
to my
Udah jangan,
proposal.
udah jangan diumbar aib kita. Memalukan proposalnya. Tapi nggak apa-apa kok. Cantik nggak? Can you see her
Yeah,
face
it's
a little
very-
bit?
It's very
Blur
difficult
ya.
to see, but
Iya. Karena dia ngeluarin sedikit banget muka auralnya. The name of the girl ini
Yeah.
aural kan. Gitu deh. Dia juga from a famous family. Ceweknya
yeah.
juga singer itunya papanya. Dia udah change beberapa kali his clothes gitu.
Oh,
See?
this one wanna dance again.
Terus the rest kayaknya cuma dia apa? Just repeat lainnya doang. The traditional ini juga beskap ya.
This cup is
Yang
traditional baju.
orang Jawa. Dia even still wear his some
Yeah, even though it's quite dark in the clip. Maybe the light is sharp.
mungkin ya begitulah music videonya. Jadi kalau kamu kasih skor kira-kira gimana? Ini nggak susah nggak gampang lah ya to make this clip. I mean semua
Yeah,
pasti
no.
his own
I mean,
idea.
the clip looks
concept.
professional and I mean it's not my type of music, but yeah, I mean it looks. I can tell you can tell that this is like a professional music video and yeah, professional shot and yeah. Should I give a rating or?
Maybe ya.
I mean,
Out of
like maybe a 7.5. Yeah.
Lumayan
Yeah.
juga baik hatinya walaupun dia nggak mengerti bahasanya. Aku juga if I don't read the ini ya subtitle aku nggak ngerti loh, itu kan Japanese kan.
Yeah.
Terus dia itu actually not from Jawa sebenarnya.
Oh.
Somewhere from
So what is the reason?
Sumatera. I don't know, maybe dia propose a Japanese girl, so dia mau respect
Oh.
or mau ambil hati calon father-in-law. Jadi dia write a song about the girl in Japanese gitu. Bagus kok Atta Halilintar, well done ya. Alisa aja suka yang bocah. Tadi
Yeah.
aku matiin, dia minta nyalahin lagi tuh sampai nyamperin gitu ke sini.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think Alisa gives it a 9 out of 10. She seemed quite into it.
Ya, mungkin karena dia juga bosan Cocomelon gitu kan, denger musik yang baru disuka. Ya, terima kasih sudah nonton video reaksi dari The Young Family. Semoga videonya bermanfaat. Mohon maaf kalau ada salah-salah kata. See you lagi on our next video. Dadah, Alisa. Alisa,
Alisa.
bye sana dong. Dadah. Ke lipstiknya belencong lagi.